Pharmer Russ here. Today I want to teach you about garlic, why to grow it, and how to plant it. Let's talk about the health benefits. Garlic can decrease blood pressure and cholesterol, as well as prevent blood clotting, for an overall combined effect of reducing risk for heart attacks and strokes. Garlic also in its raw form has antibacterial properties, as well as garlic's immune boosting properties, which have been thought to prevent some stomach cancers. Now it almost seems like garlic will fix everything for you, but let's slow down. As the Greek physician Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." So why not start with something easy like garlic to plant? Now let's dig in. So in areas that get cold winter months, like up here in North Idaho, it's best to plant garlic in the first couple weeks of October. And we get our garlic from a local farmer's market. That way we know it's an heirloom variety that grows well in this area. Now you can also go to the organic section of your grocery store, or you can get it out of a catalog, but most garlic that you get at the grocery store will probably do just fine in the ground. But it's fairly simple. We just take our garlic bulb and we break it into individual cloves. We try to leave some of the skin on the bulbs, but we're just going to plant the flat side down and the pointy end up in the ground. But you want to bury that down about just barely covered from the pointed end in some nice amended soil. We like to use a good amount of compost in our garlic bed, and we plant those about 3-inch spacing and in rows about 3 or 4 inches apart. And after it's all planted, got the drip line on there, I cover it in with some mulch. That's just my preference. I like to make sure the garlic is nice and cozy in the wintertime. So there's a couple different types of garlic. There's hardneck and softneck, and then lots of varieties of each of those. But generally, the hardneck varieties, they will develop a garlic scape. A garlic scape is just the flowering bud that starts on the top of a garlic plant. And that is, in and of itself, a great thing, because you can cut it off and you can use it for cooking as well. It tastes like garlic. But if you want bigger bulbs, you actually do have to trim that off, usually in June, so that you get bigger bulb developed. Now, softneck varieties, they don't have a garlic scape, so no worry about trimming that off at all. In the past, we've always done softneck varieties, but this year we're doing both softneck and hardneck, just to try it out. Now that we have some garlic in the ground, just got to keep it watered for the summer and wait till harvest. Now get out there and plant some garlic.